With the UniBinder 8.2, complicated binding solutions are a thing of the past. This thermal binding machine is fast, simple, and a professional way to bind both hard and soft cover books for your office, client presentations, and more. Here's how it works. First, jog your pages and place them into your Unibind cover of choice. Then just place the cover spine side down into the first sleeve of the binder, called the binding station. This will heat up the pre-applied resin adhesive in the spine and bind your pages together in the cover. While you wait, you can prep your other documents by inserting the pages into the covers. There are 2 sections in the binding station, allowing you to begin a second batch of documents without waiting for the first batch to finish. The binding takes only 90 seconds. When the light turns green, transport your documents to the center sleeve, called the spine crimper. This presses the cover around your pages, completing and strengthening the bind for your book thickness. Once crimped, move the document to the last sleeve, called the cooling station. And that's it. In only a couple minutes, you have your completed bound presentation that is professional, strong, and sure to impress. With the UniBinder 8.2 and assorted unicovers, you can bind up to 340 sheets. There are several spine sizes and colors to choose from. With this powerful tabletop bookbinding machine, you can enjoy years of safe and maintenance-free binding. For more information on the UniBinder 8.2 thermal binding machine, check the links in the description to visit binding101.com or call the number on your screen.